On today's quick tip, we'll be going over how to replace your grip tape. Welcome to MBoards Quick Tips. Occasionally over time, after riding your board for a while, and depending on weather conditions and riding terrain, your board's grip tape will tend to wear and tear and get dirty. Generally, fresh grip tape on your board will indeed give you more stability and confidence in handling tight turns. Depending on your grip tape's condition, your board may just need a quick cleaning, but it's only a matter of time before you'll need to replace it. Cleaning your grip tape is relatively easy to do with the right tools. We recommend using a grip tape eraser. Erase the dirt on your grip tape and gently wipe away the grip tape eraser shavings. Repeat as necessary until grip tape is clean. If your board is past the point of a simple cleaning, then you'll need to follow these steps. Starting off, the tools you'll need is either a hairdryer or a heat gun, and then either isopropyl alcohol, acetone, or Goo Gone, and then a small towel and a screwdriver. To start, plug in your heat gun and begin to heat the grip tape on one side of your board until it's warm to touch. The goal is to soften the grip tape's adhesive so it's easy to remove from the deck. It'll help prevent grip tape leaving sticky residue on the board when the grip tape is finally removed. Once we finish heating the grip tape, we're going to start lifting and peeling the grip tape back, starting at the nose of the deck. And don't be afraid to use a razor blade or any other tool to help the peeling process begin, but be careful not to scratch your deck. It's a good idea to continue to heat the grip tape while peeling. Take your time and don't rush this process, as it can make cleaning the leftover residue more challenging in the next step. When the grip tape is finally removed all the way, we're going to grab our residue remover, Goo Gone in our case, and apply some to a small towel and begin wiping off any sticky residue left over from the grip tape. Goo Gone actually leaves a pretty oily residue itself, so we're going to use isopropyl alcohol to clean that off of the deck as well. Moving on to applying the grip tape. We're going to grab our sheet of grip tape and starting from the front nose of the board and slowly apply the grip tape in a diagonal method. Doing so in this fashion will help prevent any air bubbles from forming in the process. Once we finish laying down the grip tape, we're going to grab our screwdriver and trace the outer edges of the board using the side of the screwdriver, causing a crease in the extra grip tape that's hanging over the side of the board. After we finish tracing the grip tape, we're going to use a blade at a 45-degree angle to trim the grip tape that's hanging off the edges of the board. Again, doing so slowly to make sure we get a clean, even, and level cut, and also so we don't cut ourselves. Once I'm finished cutting my grip tape, I like to take a piece of the offcut and use it as a piece of sandpaper to lightly go around the outside of the board, sand the edges to prevent any kind of lifts or gaps between the grip tape and the deck. And that's it. Hopefully this quick tip will help you preserve your board's components and give you a more pleasant riding experience. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about this process. We are very active down in the comment section, so drop a comment, questions, ideas, anything like that. And thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next one.